Nestled along a charming tree-lined street in the desirable Old North End of Colorado Springs, this historic home has been beautifully preserved and married with some tasteful updates that have kept the architecture and beauty of the home in place. Welcome to 1805 North Tejon. This 3,000 square foot home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a detached garage, and even an English cottage garden. I'm so excited to show you around this masterpiece. A welcoming covered front porch, perfect for morning coffee or evening conversation beneath mature shade trees, sets the stage for the warmth and character that unfold throughout the home. Inside, natural light fills the home, highlighting original wood floors and the warmth of classic architectural details. The inviting living room features large windows and is a warm welcome, while the spacious family room offers built-in bookcases, a gas fireplace, and a cozy reading nook, a perfect gathering space. The formal dining room leads directly to the butler's pantry. This is a treasured feature of homes of this era. The kitchen has been tastefully updated. I love the soapstone countertops. They're throughout the kitchen. Of course, we have all stainless steel appliances, a 4-burner gas range with a griddle, 2 sinks, and tons of counter space. There's also countertop seating, plenty of space to enjoy. An oversized laundry room even has additional space for home officing, crafts, and hobbies. The upper level houses 3 distinctly different and spacious bedrooms. The front one faces the mountain range and the views change year-round. This spacious bedroom is gorgeous. I love how the light streams in and the unique architecture. It even features a sitting area to enjoy this afternoon light. The charming full bathroom even features a clawfoot tub. The primary retreat is truly a special place to come and recharge your batteries. The architecture reflects the time period. There's a spacious walk-in closet, and there's even a primary ensuite bathroom. The English cottage garden was even awarded a certificate of appreciation as a distinguished historic home of Colorado Springs. The extended driveway offers additional off-street parking and even room for recreation. There is also a 1-car garage. The basement houses all the mechanicals and provides plenty of space for additional storage. There's even a separate bonus room that could be a workshop or a hobby room. Today, the Old North End neighborhood is known for its beautiful historic homes, wide shaded streets, and incredible architecture. Everything from charming Victorian homes to classic craftsman designs and elegant early 20th century residences. Located just minutes from downtown Colorado Springs, Colorado College, parks, trails, and neighborhood dinings and shops, this home captures the very best of Old North End living, historic charm, vibrant community, and modern comfort all in one remarkable property.